I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is actually episode 139, and we're going to be talking about the listing agreement. It's part one of the 12-part series on getting your home ready to list for selling. Hi, I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 139, and we're going to be talking about the listing agreement. It's part one in a 12-part series on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the info you need to be ready for that early spring market. The listing agreement is a form that gives me the exclusive right to represent you to sell your property. It's also called the listing agreement. We covered this back in episode 134. This is the legal contract and document that officially makes me your agent. You can go back and see our entry at episode 130, talking specifically about agency. This is going to establish our relationship by defining what our obligations are to each other. It's going to give the length of contract, the specifics to your property, like the price, the fixtures, and any personal property that may be conveying in the listing. There's lots of details on this contract I cover in a form, and I call this the seller homework, and that's what we're going to be talking about in the next episode. Best part of this series is there's going to be a lot of cross-referencing. If there's a term you aren't familiar with, one of the other videos has likely got it covered. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, and I'm on most popular social media sites. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.